It is wet and it's cold, but man, it's beautiful. Check this out. Welcome to my birthday weekend. It's a little bit too wet for the Canon now today, so I think it's a bit of a GoPro adventure, this one. It's gonna be great. Great! Thank you, Betty, for the surprise birthday weekend. Loving it.
Mount Beauty is located approximately 4 hours northeast of Melbourne and was originally built by the State Electricity Commission to house all the workers working on the Kiwa hydroelectric scheme, which at its peak employed over 4,000 people. We're off on an adventure.
What are we doing adventuring?
We're going around Pondage Walk first.
Do you know much about the Pondage Walk?
It's around water. It's around the pondage, which is over there.
What's a pondage?
Water. Looks like a lake.
What's the occasion for our adventures?
It's my birthday.
It's birthday weekend.
Birthday weekend.
Woohoo! Ooh.
The Pondage Walk is an easy 2.9 kilometre loop trail around a beautiful lake with the Alpine National Park and its snowy peaks in the background, making for quite the sight. It was originally part of the hydroelectric scheme and used to help regulate the water flowing into the Kiwa River.
He's hunting berries again.
I'm not going to pick him. No, I'm not going to pick him. I'm not going to do it.
Okay, she did it.
It's very cold.
How cold's that water?
Very cold. As cold as my soul.
Super clear though.
This trail is perfect for anyone of all ages and abilities, with prams and wheelchairs easily able to tackle the terrain and doggos allowed on the leash. The Pebble Beach Riverwalk is an easy 4 kilometre pathway, starting alongside the Pondage area and follows the Kiwa River to the north of the town. If the weather is warm, bring your swimwear and head to Pebble Beach, which we hear is a bit of a favourite swimming hole with the locals.
Can I drop the GoPro off the bridge into the water?
No.
Well, I mean, it would survive, but you would have to go get it. But it would be cool. Whoa.
Not picturesque.
What?
Watching me go down the thing.
You're always picturesque. Plus also, it would be a little funny if you fell. On camera. Not funny, but
Look, I'm not gonna lie, I was thinking the same thing when I was watching you.
and that is true love. When you both kind of secretly hope the other one's gonna fall down some stairs.
On camera.
On camera.
Not in general, just on camera. Located at the gateway to the Alpine National Park, and not far from the snowy mecca of Falls Creek, Mount Beauty is busiest during the snow season and the peak autumn seasons where nature really turns on an amazing display of colour. The spring and summer months also have their charm, making it a great all year round getaway location. Plenty of bench seating and picnic spots along this path, but there are no toilets, so plan ahead. Here now, little Mickey.
Mermaid pool? Mermaid pool.
Mermaid pool
And rock
and the rock pool.
pool.
See if we can see us some mermaids. If you were coming here, don't Google map the track itself, just Google map the Rockpool Road and go to the end, because If you Google map the track itself, it tries to direct you down some surveying tracks, which my car could make it, but it's definitely four-wheel driving trails, not regular car trails.
Which we did not feel like today.
Which we went up for today. So these are called gauging stations. They used to have like a little house that sat on top of it, and they were used before they had the hydro power stations along here to gauge the flows of the water and how high the levels went and everything throughout the year, so they could basically collect all the data over a period of time and decide whether the hydro electricity scheme would be a viable operation. And then they gathered all that data and gave the go-ahead to create the power stations in 1937.
The Mermaid Beach Trail is another short trail, with this one being only 2 kilometres long. Unlike the previous trails, although this one is easy to tackle, it's not appropriate for prams and wheelchairs due to the terrain and fallen logs you'll need to traverse.
That's it there.
I can't ready to dive now. That is not deep enough for this kind of diving board.
Doesn't look it, does it?
So many people must have hurt themselves. Just as we were about to call it a day, some old friends that we'd bumped into during the day had given us a buzz and invited us to an impromptu fire festival being held by the locals.
Say hi.
Hi. Welcome to Mount.
Why, thank you. We like being here.
Don't move here.
Yes, actually, Mount Beauty. It's called Mount.
It's Mount Butthole.
Mount Butthole. Yeah. And it's probably a really awful place to be, so no one should ever come. because
Nice.
There's actually not fun.
No fun here at all.
No,
Yeah, nothing fun around here.
There's nothing
No,
to see.
Yeah.
There's no snow-capped mountains.
There's
Hate
no
it.
snow-capped mountains.
Hate it.
There's
Don't come
no
here.
autumn leaves.
Haunting. Day 2.
Three?
Day 3 if you count coming up late at night in the first night. We're doing the Gorge Trail.
Yeah, this is going to be gorgeous.
Should take us an hour and a half, but with the amount of stopping that we do, probably blow out like it always does.
Oh yeah, 5 hours.
Alright, let's go
See
check
ya
it out.
soon.
Bye.
Starting out at the Big Hill Mountain Bike Park, the Gorge Walk follows the old Aqueduct Trail for about 6 kilometres and is a well-maintained trail, good for all ages and abilities. There is a small section where stairs are required, making it not great for wheelchairs,
Oh my god.
but prams can probably cope with being carried for that small section of about 30 to 40 steps, which is located about a third of the way along the trail.
Reach the end of the walk at this time of year, but if you come back in the summer months when the river is a little bit less flowy and the weather's a little bit nicer, you can keep walking up the river and you reach a canyon that's apparently really cool, but it's a little bit too like high current at the moment, and I think our feet would freeze off from hypothermia if we tried, so we have to come back in the summer, that's all there is for it.